Pizza night is a regular occurrence at my house, and these disposable aluminum pizza pans are really handy to have around. The company sent me them to test out, and I like the textured base on the bottom. It's designed to help distribute the heat more evenly. Our oven doesn't always cook really well. I'm constantly turning pans around, but these actually made the crust nice and crispy and even all the way around. We didn't have any soggy spots that sometimes happens with the frozen pizzas. These are the perfect size for a standard 12-inch pizza, whether you're making one from scratch, baking a take and bake pizza, or just popping a frozen one in the oven. These are lightweight, but they are sturdy enough that they don't bend or flex too much while you're carrying the pizza. I like that they have rolled edges, so they're comfortable to grab with oven mitts, even when they're hot. It also makes them easy to carry from the oven straight to the table. Even though they're disposable, they're actually versatile enough for a lot more than just pizza. You could use them for cookies, brownies, cakes, appetizers, even as serving trays for parties or cookouts. They're especially nice when you're hosting because cleanup is so much easier afterwards. These are great to have stocked in the pantry. I think these are a simple kitchen item that actually end up being more useful than I expect. They bake evenly, they give that pizza a crisp crust, and they make cleanup incredibly easy.